Hey, I made a short series of videos on SEO, which is search engine optimization. And the mini series of videos that I've created is all about making the right connections and installing the right things on your website so that you can start a successful SEO campaign. This video here is an overview of what this mini course is going to walk you through. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. So first, just a quick definition of what SEO is. Basically, search engine optimization is a way to improve the quality and quantity of traffic that comes to your website. And by doing so, you improve your rankings for specific keywords that people type into the search engines. It's a very basic definition. There's a lot more involved in that in SEO, but that's an overview of what the whole purpose of SEO is. It's important to make sure that your website is connected to all the resources that are out there so that you have good data to work with. It's hard to improve something if you don't know where the improvements need to happen. So the importance of making these connections can't be overstated. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to install a WordPress plugin called SEOPress. If you don't have a WordPress website, then you're not going to be able to use this plugin, but the information in this video series is still going to be relevant to doing proper SEO. So our first lesson is installing this plugin. It's going to make it very easy for us to make all these connections. The next lesson is installing Google Analytics, getting an account and connecting it to your website. This is going to give you a treasure trove of data about who visits your website, how long they visit, what pages they visit. It's invaluable. So we're going to make sure we make that connection as well. The next lesson after that is connecting to Google Search Console. Search Console, again, another treasure trove of data. It's going to help us know what keywords people are using to find our website, how many times we show up for those keywords, and how many times people actually clicked on the search results that we showed up in. Again, invaluable information that's going to help you improve the quality of content that you put on your website and improve the quantity of visitors that visit your website. And finally, we're going to install a sitemap. Now, a sitemap is not something that your visitors are going to go to. This is something that the Google bots are going to go to, and they're going to index all the pages on your website so that you show up properly for the keywords that you've put on your website. So you want to make sure you're indexed in the search engines. And in order to get indexed in the search engines and found easier in the search engines, you install a sitemap. And so we're going to wrap up our little mini series here with that installation. Now, if you have any questions throughout the course, just put the questions in the comments below, and I will be sure to respond to them. That way we can keep track of how people are doing with this course and maybe improve my future mini courses that I'll make for you to make sure that I include all the information that is needed. Good luck, folks. I hope you enjoy this course.